Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Mr. Peter channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Peter.
And I'm Lily. Hello, everyone. It's so nice to be here again.
How are you today, Lily?
I'm doing great, thank you. I'm feeling happy and full of energy. How about you?
I'm feeling wonderful too. I'm excited because today's topic is very useful for English learners.
Yes, very useful and very practical. Today, we are going to learn how to talk about yourself in English. Easy introductions for beginners.
Exactly. We all need to introduce ourselves sometimes, when we meet new people, start a new job, join a new class, or even when we travel.
That's true. It's one of the first things you learn in English. So today, we'll show you how to do it step by step.
Perfect. But before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy learning English with us.
And don't forget to share it with your friends who are also learning English. It really helps our channel grow.
All right, Lily, are you ready to start?
I'm ready. Let's go!
Okay. So when someone says, "Tell me about yourself," or "Can you introduce yourself?" how do we answer?
That's a great question. The first thing we usually say is our name. For example, my name is Lily.
Exactly. Very simple. You can also say, "I'm Lily." Both are correct.
Yes, my name is Lily sounds a bit more formal, and I'm Lily sounds more casual.
Right. So let's practice. Lily, can you introduce yourself to our listeners?
Sure. Okay. Hi, my name is Lily. I'm from Australia. I'm a teacher, and I love helping people learn English.
That's a great introduction. It's short, clear, and friendly.
Thank you. Now, it's your turn, Peter. Tell us about yourself.
Okay, let's see. Hi, I'm Peter. I'm from Canada. I'm an English coach and a podcast host. I really enjoy meeting new people and learning about different cultures.
Perfect. That's a wonderful example. So you can see we start with our name, then our country, and maybe what we do.
Yes, that's the basic structure. Name, country or city, job, or what you do.
And if you're a student, you can say something like, I'm a student. I study English. Or I study computer science.
Exactly. Very good examples.
Let's practice a few more. Peter, can you give us another example? Maybe for a student this time.
Sure. Hi, I'm Anna. I'm from Brazil. I'm a student. I study marketing at university.
That's great. Very natural. You can also add something about what you like. For example, I like music and cooking.
That's a nice addition. It makes your introduction more personal.
Yes, because when you say something you like, people can connect with you more easily.
Exactly. So, after name, country, and job, we can add likes, hobbies, or interests.
Let's try that. I'll go first. Hi, I'm Lily. I'm from Australia. I'm a teacher. I like reading and cooking.
Nice. That sounds very natural. Okay, my turn. Hi, I'm Peter. I'm from Canada. I'm a coach. I love playing guitar and watching movies.
Perfect. I want to watch a movie with you one day.
That sounds great. Maybe a comedy.
Definitely a comedy. I love to laugh.
So, learners, you can see how simple it is. You just need to put your ideas together. My name is, I'm from, I'm a, I like.
Yes, those 4 sentences are the foundation of a great self-introduction.
Let's do one together slowly for our listeners. Ready, Lily?
Ready?
Good job, everyone. You can repeat after us if you want to practice pronunciation.
Yes, repeating is a great way to practice speaking. Don't be shy.
Okay, let's add one more detail. Where you live now. Maybe you are from one country, but you live in another.
Good point. For example, I'm from Australia, but I live in Japan.
Exactly. Or, I'm from Canada, but I live in the United States.
This helps people understand more about you.
And if you're traveling, you can say, I'm from Spain. I'm visiting Thailand.
That's perfect for travelers. It's polite and clear.
So, now we have 5 key parts. 1. Name. 2. Country. 3. Job or study. 4. Likes or hobbies. 5. Where you live or what you do now.
That's a great list.
Let's give our listeners a few different examples using this pattern.
Okay, I'll start. Hi, I'm Maria. I'm from Italy. I'm a student. I love painting and listening to music. I live in Rome.
Nice. Here's mine. Hi, I'm Tom. I'm from Japan. I'm a chef. I like trying new recipes and traveling. I live in Tokyo.
Wonderful. You see, these are simple, friendly introductions that anyone can use.
Exactly. And if you want to sound even more natural, you can add a short greeting before your introduction, like, nice to meet you, or it's great to be here.
Hello! We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities.
Yes, or, hello, I'm Peter. It's great to meet you today.
Perfect. Adding a greeting makes it sound more polite and friendly.
Now, Lily, let's talk about some common mistakes people make when introducing themselves.
Oh, yes, that's important. One mistake is saying, I am come from, instead of I come from.
Right. We say I come from, not I am come from. For example, I come from France.
Exactly. Another common mistake is forgetting to use a before jobs. For example, I'm teacher. X should be I'm a teacher. Yes.
Good point. Articles are small words, but they're important.
Yes. So remember to say, I'm a student, I'm a doctor, I'm an engineer.
And if your job starts with a vowel sound, use an. For example, I'm an artist.
Perfect. That's a good grammar tip.
So far, we've learned how to say your name, where you're from, what you do, what you like, and where you live.
Yes, and we've also learned how to avoid some small grammar mistakes.
Great. In the next part, we'll learn how to make your introduction longer and more interesting with things like your family, pets, and favorite things.
That sounds exciting. I can't wait.
So everyone, take a short break, practice what you learned today, and come back for part 2.
Yes, try making your own short introduction in English. You can write it down or say it out loud.
And don't forget to smile while you say it. That makes everything better.
Always. See you in part 2, everyone.
See you soon. Welcome back, everyone. This is part 2 of our episode, Learn How to Talk About Yourself in English. I'm Peter.
And I'm Lily. Hello again, everyone. It's great to be back.
Lily, last time we learned how to give a short introduction. Name, country, job, likes, and where you live.
Yes, and today we'll go a little deeper. We'll talk more about family, pets, and favorite things. The kind of details that make your self-introduction more friendly and personal.
Exactly. So let's start with family. Everyone has a different story when it comes to family.
That's true. Family is an easy and warm topic. When someone asks you to tell a little about yourself, you can mention your family to make the conversation more personal.
Right. So, Lily, tell me a bit about your family.
Sure. I come from a small but close family. I live with my parents and my younger brother. We get along really well. My mom is a nurse and my dad is an engineer. My brother is still a student. He's very funny and always makes us laugh.
That sounds like a happy family. I like that. My family's small, too. I have one sister. She's younger than me, and she's a designer. She loves to draw and paint.
Oh, that's nice. Creative families are the best. Does she live close to you?
Yes, she does. We meet almost every weekend. Sometimes we cook together or go to the movies.
That sounds wonderful. I think talking about family makes your introduction more natural, especially if you want to sound friendly.
I agree. It's something almost everyone can relate to. And the same goes for pets.
Ah, yes. I love talking about pets. They make people smile.
Do you have any pets, Lily?
Yes, I do. I have a cat named Coco. She's white with a little gray spot on her head. She's very calm during the day, but loves to play at night. Sometimes she wakes me up at 3 a.m.
That's a typical cat. I have a dog, Max. He's small, brown, and full of energy. He loves going for walks and chasing balls.
Dogs are so loyal. I love that about them. Cats are more independent, but they're also very affectionate when they want to be.
So true. When you talk about your pets, it shows your personality, too. It tells people what kind of things make you happy.
Exactly. It's like saying, I care about living things, and that makes people feel comfortable around you.
Okay, now let's move to another fun part. Favorite things. Everyone loves talking about their favorite things.
Yes, food, colors, movies, seasons, there's so much to choose from. So, Peter, what's your favorite food?
That's easy. Ramen. I could eat ramen every day and never get bored. I like the warm soup, the noodles, and the soft-boiled egg.
Ramen sounds delicious. My favorite food is pasta, especially creamy mushroom pasta. It's simple, but so good.
I think we both love food that's warm and comforting. What about your favorite color?
Green. Definitely green. It reminds me of nature, trees, and fresh air.
That's nice. Mine is blue. It feels calm and peaceful, like the ocean.
Green and blue. Perfect combination. Nature and sky.
Exactly. What about your favorite season?
Spring, for sure. I love seeing flowers bloom after winter. It feels like a new beginning.
That's beautiful. I like autumn. The cool air, the colors, the quiet feeling. It's my favorite time of year.
It fits you, Peter. You're calm, just like autumn.
Thank you. And you're bright and cheerful, like spring.
That's sweet. I'll take that as a compliment.
You know, talking about favorite things is an easy way to make your introduction longer without sounding boring.
Yes, and it makes people feel like they know you a little better. When you say you love spring or pizza, it gives others something to talk about with you.
Exactly. It opens the door to conversation. Oh, you like pasta? Me too. And suddenly, you're friends.
That's the magic of small talk.
Now, another thing you can mention when talking about yourself is your hobbies. It shows what you enjoy doing in your free time.
Yes. So, Peter, what do you like to do when you're not working?
I like playing guitar and listening to music. It helps me relax after a busy day. Sometimes I even write my own songs, but I never show them to anyone.
Really? That's amazing. You should share one sometime.
Maybe one day. How about you? What's your hobby?
I love reading. Every night before bed, I read at least a few pages. It helps me forget about stress and fall asleep peacefully.
That's a great habit. What kind of books do you like?
Mostly fiction, adventure, and romance. I love stories with strong characters and happy endings.
Ah, happy endings are the best. I also enjoy movies, especially comedies. I love to laugh.
Same here. I think laughter is the best medicine.
I couldn't agree more. So now we've talked about family, pets, favorite things, and hobbies. That's a lot of material for a nice self-introduction.
Yes, and it's all natural. You don't need to memorize long sentences. Just talk about real things, your life, your likes, and your personality.
Exactly. It's not about being perfect. It's about being yourself.
Right. And remember, when you introduce yourself, Smile. It shows confidence and warmth.
That's very true. A friendly smile makes a big difference.
Peter, can I tell you something funny?
Of course.
When I was a beginner in English, I used to be so nervous when someone said, "Tell me about yourself." My mind went completely blank.
I think everyone has felt that way at some point.
Yes, but then I learned you don't need a perfect answer. Just say something small. I'm Lily. I'm from Australia. I like books and cats. That's already good enough.
Exactly. Simple is better. People aren't judging your grammar, they just want to know you.
That's such a good point. When we focus on communication instead of perfection, everything becomes easier.
Yes, and when you practice these small introductions again and again, your confidence grows naturally.
Practice really is the secret. And the more you talk about yourself, the more fluent you'll sound.
That's right. So, what did we learn today?
We learned how to talk about family, pets, favorite things, and hobbies, all in a simple, friendly way.
And we learned that it's okay to keep things short, clear, and honest.
Exactly. There's beauty in simplicity.
Well said, Lily.
Thank you, Peter. And thank you to everyone listening today.
Yes, thank you so much for joining us. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends.
And keep practicing your English every day. Even 5 minutes can make a difference.
Stay happy, stay curious, and keep smiling.
We'll be back soon with another fun topic.
Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.